What's up, everybody? It's Mike with Fast Fooding, and today we're checking out Burger King's Rodeo Chicken Burger. Now, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. This thing is close to 900 calories, okay? That's crazy. It's ludicrous. Look at that. Oh, ooh, heaven. Smells like heaven. This is what it looks like. You see that? But you know what I like? If you can see, this guy has a nice greasy bun and soft. It's not like the normal poppy seed bun, you know? So I'm a fan of that. I give them some credit. But yeah, so this has got some barbecue sauce, onion rings, bacon, cheese, and the crispy chicken patty, okay? So I'm gonna dive in, and I'm gonna tell y'all what it tastes like. Could be disgusting, could want to throw up. We'll see, we'll see. Ooh! Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Ooh. Oh. I'm sorry y'all can't have this. Take a bite. Take a bite. Just joking, I know you can't. Ooh. This bun is nice. I like this nice, soft, little thinner bun. I like it. I think it suits the sandwich, because the sandwich is thick once you throw everything in there together. The cheese isn't too melted. I would have preferred the cheese to be a little more melted, but it's not. The crispy chicken is real good. Tastes nice and fresh. It's a nice thick piece of chicken. I think the ratio of bread and chicken is pretty nice. With every bite, you really do get that the flavors all at once. You get the chicken flavor. You're getting the onion rings in your mouth, the barbecue sauce, the bacon, the cheese. You know, you're really able to taste everything. Oh. Ooh. It's worth the 900 calories, I'll tell you that much. I'm a huge fan, guys. You know, and I know a lot of people, you know, don't care too much about BK, Burger King. But like, give it a chance. It's not bad. It's a good burger. What would I rate it? You're all wondering, right? I'd give it a 9 out of 10. I got it. I can't not give it a 9 out of 10. It's a great sandwich. They do have a $1 menu version of the sandwich, which obviously doesn't come with a lot of the stuff, or not as much of what it comes with. But, you know, it's a fun sandwich. It's good. Is it a party in your mouth? It is. It really is a party in your mouth. You're gonna have a fun time. It's a go. It's a go. Guys, check it out at your local Burger King joint. It's great. In the meantime, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more content like this. And in the meantime, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.